Your dog knows how you are feeling before you do. Not after you show it. Not after you say it. Before you feel it. Most owners assume their dog reacts to their emotions after they become visible, but your dog's nose detects the chemical signature of your emotional state before it reaches your conscious awareness, and what they do with that information will change how you understand every moment they have ever moved toward you. By the end of this video you will understand exactly how your dog reads your emotions through scent before you feel them, what specific chemicals they are detecting and when, and why every time your dog came to you on a hard day they already knew, before you said a word. Stay until the end, because the last emotion your dog detects is the one they respond to most urgently. And once you know what it is you will understand every time they have ever refused to leave your side. Let's start. Your dog experiences the world through scent at a level that makes human smell essentially non-functional by comparison. Humans have approximately 6 million olfactory receptors. Your dog has 300 million. But the number is not the most important difference. The most important difference is what they can detect. Your dog can smell individual components of a complex mixture the way you can see individual colors in a painting. While you smell coffee, your dog smells the water, the beans, the specific roast temperature and the trace compounds released as it cooled. Applied to you, to your body, your skin, your breath, this means your dog is reading a chemical portrait of your internal state so detailed it makes your facial expressions look like rough drafts. Has your dog ever come to you before you knew something was wrong, before you felt it, before you showed it? Comment below and tell me what happened. I read every single one. When your emotional state changes, your body releases specific chemicals, and your dog detects every single one of them. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is released through your skin and breath when anxiety rises. Your dog detects cortisol changes before your heart rate has visibly increased. Adrenaline, released during fear or sudden stress, produces a distinct chemical signature in your sweat that dogs read as urgency. The specific compounds released during sadness and grief change the pH of your tears and skin secretions in ways your dog's nose processes in real time. Your body is a continuous chemical broadcast of your internal state. Your dog is tuned to that frequency. Every emotional shift you experience produces a signal. Your dog receives it before you've finished feeling it. Your dog detects your emotional shift before your conscious mind has processed it. This is not poetic, it is biological timing. The chemical cascade of an emotional response begins in the body before it reaches conscious awareness. Cortisol spikes before you think, I am stressed. Adrenaline releases before you think, I am afraid. The physical response precedes the mental label by measurable seconds. Your dog's nose detects the beginning of that chemical cascade, the first molecules released, before the response has fully developed in your body. This is why your dog is already beside you when you realize you need them. They did not react to your sadness. They detected the chemistry of sadness arriving and moved toward you before it fully landed. If you just understood why your dog was already there before you knew you needed them, hit like right now. This is the science behind something you felt but could never explain. Detecting your emotional state is only the first part. What your dog does with that information is what makes it extraordinary. Research into canine empathic response has found that dogs do not simply detect human emotional chemicals, they respond to them with targeted behavior. Elevated cortisol triggers proximity seeking in bonded dogs. They move closer. Adrenaline spikes trigger alert posturing and increased monitoring. The chemical signature of grief and sadness triggers the specific comfort behaviors. The chin rest, the lean, the sustained physical contact, that we have decoded in previous videos. Your dog does not choose these responses consciously. Their nervous system reads the chemical signal and generates the appropriate response automatically. They are a living emotional monitoring system calibrated specifically to you. Air is the part most owners never think about. Your dog has been building a chemical baseline of you since the day you met. Every day they have spent in your presence they have been cataloging your scent profile, what you smell like when you are okay, when you are rested, when you are stressed, when you are grieving, when you are happy. They have built a map of your emotional chemistry so detailed and so precisely calibrated to you specifically that no other being on earth has anything like it. This is why your dog responds differently to your stress than to a stranger's stress. They know your baseline. They know what normal smells like for you. So when something deviates, when the cortisol rises or the adrenaline spikes or the grief chemicals appear, they detect it not just as a chemical signal but as a departure from you. From your specific you. They are not reading human emotion in general. They are reading your emotion specifically. The map they built is of you. And every day you spend together they update it. Your dog knows your emotional chemistry better than any doctor, any therapist, Any person who has ever known you. They built that knowledge in silence, through presence, one day at a time. And they use it to be exactly where you need them before you need them. This is what I mentioned at the beginning. The last emotion your dog detects. The one they respond to most urgently. Fear. The chemical signature of genuine fear, acute, sudden fear, is the signal that produces the most immediate and intense response in a bonded dog. Research has documented that dogs exposed to the scent of human fear show measurable physiological arousal. Heart rate increases, cortisol rises, attentiveness spikes, even when the fearful person is completely out of sight. Your dog does not need to see you afraid. They smell it through walls, across rooms, before you have moved or spoken or done anything visible. This is why your dog appears the moment something frightens you. Not after. Not when you call. In the moment. Because the signal arrived before you could call for them. And they were already moving. They have always been coming. You just did not know the message had already been sent. Think about a moment when your dog appeared and you had not called them and something was wrong. Tell me that story in the comments. These moments are evidence of something extraordinary and they deserve to be remembered. I read every single one. Your dog smells your fear before you feel it. Your sadness before you name it. Your stress before it reaches your face. They built a map of your emotional chemistry one day at a time. And every time they came to you, before you called, before you showed it, before you knew, they were answering a message your body sent before your mind caught up. You were never alone in those moments. Your dog was already reading them. And if your dog can smell your emotions before you feel them, wait until you understand the moment they first decided you were safe. The exact moment it happened. And what they smelled that told them. If you just understood why your dog was always already there, subscribe to the Dog Mind. Every week we decode one thing your dog has been doing that you never fully understood. Your dog has been reading you every single day. Subscribe and finally understand what they found.